Good day! Magandang buhay!
Or shall I say, maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan.
Hi, I'm Teacher Thea.
And I am Teacher Benj, and we are from Lucsoon National High School.
Welcome to Lucsoon Creatives. As we face the battle against the current crisis we are facing, the Department of Education has to brace this challenge. In fact, Auckland Balik Eskwela is now in place vis-a-vis the implementation of Brigada Eskwela, which is usually scheduled in the last week of May every year.
Now, the enrollment is ongoing with the new normal way of embracing the process. There is what we call remote enrollment, of which the school personnel are mandated to follow for the first 2 weeks of June through technology-driven platforms such as Facebook, Messenger, Google Forms, among others. So how should our learners and parents, as a shared responsibility, do this? This is a tough challenge indeed.
Today's segment of Lucsoon Creatives, we will be talking on how to fill out the Learner Enrollment Survey Form.
We'll be talking here in mixed languages, in Bisaya, Tagalog, and English, so bear with us.
Shall we start? Alright, let's begin! There are 4 parts of Learner Enrollment and Survey Form: grade level and school information, student information, parent or guardian information, and household capacity and access to distance learning. For parent and guardian, it should be emphasized that parents or guardians with the learner shall be responsible in filling out this form. All answers shall be in capital letters. Do not hesitate to ask assistance to any school personnel assigned for enrollment. For Part A, grade level and school information. For school year, note that this is an automatic entry or information to write 2020-2021. Put a check whichever is applicable. Your LRN is your unique learner reference number. Kung ikaw ay nandito at bumalik ngayon sa pag-aaral, you put a check in the returning learner or balik-aral. For Part A4, grade level to enroll, you write the grade level you are to enroll. Example is grade 11. If you are incoming grade 11, you put grade 10 for the last grade level completed. For Part A6, last school year completed, note that kung ikaw ay balik-aral, isulat ang school year kung kailan ka ulit nag-aral. For A7, last school attended, you write your school last attended. Kung ikaw ay transferee, isulat ang paaralan ng iyong pinasukan last school year. And for A8, school ID, ito yung school ID kung saan ka nag-aral last school year. Example, 303327. Ilagay din ang school address, Barangay Lucsoon, Amabelle. This is based for the last school attended. For Part A10, school time, you choose whichever is applicable, public or private. For A11, school to enroll in. Example, Lucsoon National High School, this is the current school you wish to enroll. Note that pwede magkaparehas ng school mo last school year at ngayon, even for returnees. Part A12, school ID, ang school kung saan ka magpapa-enroll. For Part A13, school address, ilalagay mo yung current school na iyong pag-aaralan. Example, Barangay Lucsoon, Amabelle. It should be noted that there are 4 tracks in the senior high school and each has a specific strength. We have academic, the arts and design, the technical, vocational livelihood, and sports. For senior high school only, academic strand, we have AEM, UMS, STEM, and general academic. For TBL, we have home economics, agri-fishery, industrial, and ICT. For Part A14, this should be an automatic answer for this school year, first semester. For Part A15, example, academic. For Part A16, which is the strand, example is UMS. And so on and so forth. Part B, student information. For Part B1, PSA birth certificate number, if available upon enrollment, this will be found in this part of the certificate. Tandaan, kung ano man ang inyong mga impormasyon na nakatala sa birth certificate, ang siyang gagamitin ninyo sa mga sumusunod na mga impormasyon. Part B2, Learner Reference Number or LRN. This must be 12 unique digits. Leave it blank if not. Also, the first 6 digits is reflecting the school ID. For Part B3, you write your last name. For example, De La Cruz. Part B4, first name, Juan. Part B5, name, middle name, Reyes. Part B6, extension name, extensions like Junior, the third, etc. And then put not applicable or NA or limit blank. B7, date of birth, B8, age, B9, sex. You please follow the form. For Part B10, examples of indigenous communities or ITAs, Mangyans, and among others. If yes, please specify. Your mother tongue is the language you are used to since the time you learn how to speak or the dialect na palagi mong ginagamit sa bahay at sa inyong komunidad, right? Only one. For Part B13, you may put your religion. Let's now proceed to Part B14. Does the learner have special education needs? Example, physical, mental, developmental disability, medical condition, giftedness, among others. This refers to whatever difficulties or extra talents you have. If yes, please specify. Do you have any assistive technology devices available at home? If yes, please specify. From P18 to 23, kung meron available data at alam ninyo, punan na natin.
Part C of the Learner Enrollment and Survey Form for Parent or Guardian Information. Sa part na ito, merong 5 situation na pwedeng applicable sa inyo. Situation number 1. If both parents are present in the household, fill out both father and mother column. For situation number 2, if one of the parents already passed away or is unknown, put deceased or NA or unapplicable on the name and fill out the other parent's column. Situation number 3, if both parents already passed away, you put deceased on their names and fill out the guardian column. Situation number 4, if one of the parents is an OFW or has a job far away and still living with the other parent, fill out the father or mother column. Situation number 5, if both parents are OFW or has a job far away and the child is living with a guardian, fill out the father, mother, and the guardian column. If the household is a 4-piece member, put check on yes. Part D of the Learner Enrollment and Survey Form. This is the most essential part of the form. Household capacity and access to distance learning. Dito malalaman anong mga pamamaraan ang pwedeng gamitin ng mga mag-aaral sa pag-aaral in the new normal education ng bansa. Paano ba makakapunta ng eskwelahan ang isang learner? Pwedeng lagyan ng check ang lahat ng choices kung nagamit o nagawa ng lahat ng ito. Part D2. Siguraduhin na alam ninyo ang bilang ng mga nag-aaral sa iba't ibang grade level na nasa household nyo. For the Part D3, who among household members can provide instructional support? If you choose none, you cannot choose other options. Ang ibig sabihin sa part na ito ay kung merong miyembro ng isang household or pamilya na pwedeng makakatulong sa bata sa kanyang mga assignments, projects, activities, at pag-answer ng mga modules na binibigay ng guro. For D4, anong mga devices ang pwedeng gamitin sa bahay? Pwede niyong i-check, 1, 2, or higit na 2. For D5, kung meron kayong pamamaraan na makakonect sa internet, you put check. Kung wala naman, proceed sa D7. Sa anong pamamaraan makakonect ang iyong learner sa internet? Pwedeng i-check ang 1, 2, o higit pa. For D7, anong educational na pamamaraan ang gusto mong i-apply sa inyong anak or sa learner? You will only answer this if your answer is no in the D5. And lastly, anong mga hamon ang pwedeng maka-apekto sa inyong mga learner gamit ang distance learning na hindi na kinakailangan na pumunta ng pisikal sa mga paaralan? Lagyan ng check ng 1, 2, o mahigit sa 2.
Napaka-importanteng hindi makalimutan ang paglagda ng overprinted name sa likod o ikalawang pahina ng Learner's Enrollment and Survey Form.
There you have it. Hinaot unta nga nakatabang ni sa pag-fill out kining Learner Enrollment and Survey Form. At isang paalala before tayo magtatapos. Naway mas natin ang remote enrollment ng kagawaran ng edukasyon sa first 2 weeks ng buwan na ito.
Lastly, stay home, stay safe, practice social distancing, wear mask and sanitize. Tuloy ang edukasyon.
Sulong edukalidad.
Jump on senior high sa Lucsoon National High School. Para enroll na, please like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next video.